Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change dress on your AI influencer using DressPlay AI. Change dress with AI. And right now, I'm currently inside the landing page of what we call DressPlay. So this should be the one you're seeing also on your end. With this one, we're gonna have two ways. We can either use a Discord and we're gonna use the web. Let's try first the Discord server. So simply click on this button. Now once you're here, you're gonna get invited. Make sure you log into your Discord application. Simply click on join DressPlay right here. So this is gonna be the Discord server of DressPlay. You're gonna see some samples here created by other creators. So let's check this one out. So one for a thing here, this is gonna be the reference photo. This is gonna be the dress or gonna be the clothing. And here's the final output. Same goes with this one. This is the reference photo. This is the clothing. And this is the final output. Now let's try it out ourselves. I'm gonna type in here the code generate. You're gonna see a bunch of stuffs going around here. Basically, just need to upload your model image or what I call reference image, the clothing, and then the type. So let's start with the model image. I'm gonna select this one that I got from Midjourney, by the way, and I have a video how to create consistent characters about this one, so please check it out. For the clothing, I'm gonna go with this red dress right here. And now for the type, we only have three choices: top, bottom, or one piece. So since this is gonna be a dress, I strongly go for this one. And with that, without any prompt, simply click on enter. And here we have it. Strongly right here, we have our AI generated a dress up for us. Easy as that, right? So you might be wondering how to save your images from Discord. So again guys, this is gonna be our generation, right? So simply click on the output, simply click on right click, and there's the save image right there. Simply one click on it, and you'll have it on your PC. Just choose the location, and then change the name. For example, I'm gonna type sample123, click on save, and I have it on my PC with no hassle. And now since we have successfully created an image here using a dress or a one-piece suit, let's try creating another one or another example for a bottom. So we have here same example, and for now I'm gonna proceed with a pants or a bottom dress or bottom clothing. So with this one, for the type, go for bottom. And I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here is gonna be our final image using this reference photo and this pants that I got from Google, by the way. And here it is. We have applied the pants to the woman. And now since we have tried the pants, we have tried a dress. How about let's try a top now. So same drill. Type in the generate code, and what I love about this one is there is no prompt here. So model image, same model. So I will show you the difference. And then I'm gonna go with this one and simply go for top. And simply click on enter, and I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now this is gonna be a generated image. And I'm surprised that AI also changed the lower part, but it has successfully fitted the top part on the photo itself. And now that's going to be the Discord server for you. Now how about let's try this one on the website platform. Now going back on the landing page, simply type in start generating web and use your dummy Google account, and I'll see you once inside. Perfect. So welcome back to the video. Right now once here, take note we also have the free trial. And then the ones with the crown here are the paid subscription. So same drill with the Discord server, you need to choose top, bottom, or one piece here. So I'm gonna go with this woman right here. And since I'm going for top, the only selections here are for top. If I go for bottom, I'm gonna have bottom selections here. So I'm curious for a one piece outfit. I wanna change it with this blue dress right here. So enjoy 2 free trials. So this is gonna be a free trial, we have 2. Let's use them both for the discussion purposes. So welcome back to the video. Right now this is going to be our final output. So to download this one, simply click on this button right here. You can share it, you can lock it, or generate more. Now speaking of free trial, I'm going to show you the prices for this AI. So this is going to be the prices. This is biannually, monthly, and weekly. Pretty awesome, right? So we still have one trial. We already won with the one piece. How about let's try the top version here. I'm gonna go with this one right here, and then I'm gonna change it with this awesome t-shirt. Simply click on generate, and I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here's our awesome photo, and please pay close attention on the before and after version. I really like how fit it is. It's not loose, it's not warped, it's not weird looking. So to download this, simply click on that button and you'll be good to go. And basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.